When we moved to the house, it was a cold and dark 80s brick veneer house. So we wanted to open it up and bring in lots of natural light and create the flow from inside and out, as well as make it much more energy efficient. Bringing in lots of natural light and then raising the ceiling in the house. So we sort of created a sense of space without increasing the floor area. It feels bigger, but it's actually smaller.
We're on 800 odd square metres, so there was always a really big garden that we could work with at the start. And we had a massive deck at the back of the house, and we've taken a fair portion of that up and introduced some greener spaces. We've got a new house for the chooks over here. I've got 3 vegetable gardens now, which is fantastic, that can be used throughout all seasons. 5,000 litre water tank, which irrigates the lawn and also the vegetable gardens.
The windows selection was a big part of it as well. So we chose double glazed and aluminium thermally broken frames for their higher energy performance, but also low maintenance. We acknowledge we're not great at maintenance, so we wanted to select materials that were really easy to maintain. So we did that with the windows and with the other external building materials that we chose as well. We recycled as much as we could of the house. So you'll see throughout the house we've got recycled timber in a number of different areas. The timber floors were recycled from our house. We were able to repurpose them by bringing them up in slabs, which worked fantastic.
One of our key drivers was to introduce solar power generation, but also using a lot more electricity in our house with regard to cooking and heating. So we've got the electric hydronic heating, and now we've got the solar system on the roof that's powering that throughout most of the year. 6.4 kilowatts, 2 banks of panels facing northwest and northeast, and it provides really good solar gain for the house.
I've been passionate about sustainable design since I was in high school. So being able to bring it together into our own home has just been such a joy, and I love being in this house. I feel great in it. It's a pleasure to live in, and it's low cost and low maintenance to run too.